Hey, what's up everybody and welcome back to Anywhere TV. Today we're taking a quick look at the Rapoo v500L keyboard, which is part of Rapoo's V Pro lineup featuring brown switches and a very colourful backlit setup. Build wise, we're looking at a very solidly and very hefty feeling keyboard, with a rigid plastic backplate embedded inside of this guy, which you can kind of see in that sort of red shot right there. It overall adds a lot of rigidity, and when it comes to moving this keyboard around or just doing some typing on it, I have to say it feels extremely solid to type on. With that being said, even though it is rather solid, it also too isn't extremely heavy, so if you're on the go a lot, it's definitely pretty good here because it's easy enough to carry but still delivers a very solid experience. Now, as this guy is a keyboard, we better take a look at the keys themselves, and they have a rather pleasant feeling cap design with good looking font and also too really nice texture. Out of the box, it feels really nice to type with. It's also too got a set of backlit keys which have fixed lighting, meaning they don't exactly change. So even though all the keys are a slightly different color, they're stuck at that color. So don't expect some RGB spectrums going on here. The backlit is as it is, which is definitely fine for a lot of RGB themed builds. If you want to get a little bit more custom with this guy, you can definitely change things like the brightness and also to whether it is just solid on or breathing. But if you don't want to go with any of these lights, you can easily switch them off for a very stealth experience. Right next to those LEDs, we also do have our key switch, which is a Rapoo made brown switch rated for 60 million keystrokes in terms of its lifespan, and compared to a more traditional brown switch, it's actually not too far off. It felt extremely comfortable to type on, whether I was in video games or typing some Word documents. It was extremely pleasant to type with, and thanks to the fact that it's based on a brown switch, it's also too not going to be extremely loud. So if you're worried about that mechanical click clack, there isn't too much going on here. It is still rather quiet for a mechanical switch. So whether you are looking to do some gaming or office works, I found the brown switches pretty nice here. All in all, Rapoo has done a very decent job at giving us a well-priced and also too decently built keyboard. With a colourful backlit, it should go with most RGB film PCs out there, and if you don't want any lights, you could simply just turn them off. The brown style switches were also too a really nice thing to have, as not many keyboards in this price range offer such keys, and it was pretty awesome in games and also too in the office department. If you do want to find out more about this little guy and pick one up, find those links around this video. Otherwise, thanks all for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.